Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and PeteGustis.com. Just wanted to get some important information for everybody that owns a home. Of course, with the coronavirus and the relief programs, the federal government has made it so that you should have options if you're having problems paying your mortgage. And if you get pop-ups like that just showed up, my next video is going to be how to get rid of those, just letting you know. But if you are having problems paying your mortgage, basically there's options. The problem that people are having, according to NPR News, is they're calling their mortgage companies and then they're getting stuck into standard programs, which are not so beneficial. Mortgage forbearance is an agreement made between the mortgagee lender and the delinquent borrower. Technically, you don't have to be delinquent, and I wouldn't wait until you miss a payment, to be quite honest with you. If you're having problems, I would call today after you watch this video, of course, and understand why. According to NPR, the standard programs that some people are getting involved in are just waiving the payments for 30, 60, 90 days. And then at the end of that term, they're asking you for all those 4 payments at one time. That's not really a great program. And for some people, that's actually going to be bad. So, there would be a storm. You're sitting there thinking, oh, this is great. If you didn't understand what they told you, all of a sudden, month 4 comes, you're back to work, say 2 months. And then now you have a bill that's 4 times your normal payment, which that's not good. So the first thing I would suggest is when you call, explain that you're having problems because of the coronavirus, and that's why you're unable to make the payments, and ask them if they have a special program or task force to deal with that. Basically, because the government's making it so the banks federally are enacted to have programs that are going to benefit you and make it so you can stay in the home, rather than a terrible program which might ask for 4 payments. The program that a lot of people are looking for gives you the payments at the end of the loan. So you'd be extended 3 more payments rather than having nothing. 4 payments at one time. There's the link for this going to be in the description too, knowYourOptions.com. But here, this is the it's a pretty good website here because it gives you information on disaster relief. If you want to look at it, I have this one opened here, and this basically explains your options. So you have payment relief, which is a forbearance plan, and that basically would suspend your mortgage for up to 12 months. So basically, that could be a good option there. Late fee relief during your forbearance, to charge any late fees, and repayment options for your forbearance. So basically, they're giving you all these options right here to repay and try to make things better for you. Obviously, they're telling you the same thing I just told you. Contact your service advisor. Let them know the reason you're calling is because you've had problems because of the coronavirus, and you want to talk about the options that they have pertaining to that, because you don't want to get stuck in a standard plan that is going to be worse for you. Anyways, this is pretty simple here. If you want to do me a favor, if you found this information helpful, like my video. If you want to help a friend, share it with them. Thank you very much and have a great day.